पुनः सप्तमकक्षायाः द्वितीयपाठः दुर्बुद्धिः विनश्यति। अत्र सर्वेषां स्वागतं। पूर्वस्यां कक्षायाम् अस्माभिः एषा कथा पञ्चतन्त्रात् स्वीकृता कथा अर्धं पठिता आसीत्। तत् एकस्मिन् मगधदेशे फुल्लोत्पल नाम सरः अस्ति। तस्मिन् सरोवरे संकटः विकटः नामकौ हंसौ वसतः। तस्मिन्नेव सरोवरे हंसाभ्यां सह एकः कच्छपः निवसति। तस्य नाम कम्बुग्रीवः आसीत्। एकस्मिन् दिने तस्य सरोवरस्य समीपे धीवराः आगच्छन्ति। ते परस्परं वार्तालापं कुर्वन्ति यत् श्वः वयं मत्स्यकूर्मादीन् मारयिष्यामः। एतत् श्रुत्वा धीवराणां वचनं श्रुत्वा कच्छपः हंसौ पृच्छति, किं भवद्भ्यां धीवराणां वार्ता श्रुता? यदि श्रुता तर्हि अहम् अधुना किं करिष्यामि इति पृच्छति। हंसौ ते तु प्रातः आगमिष्यन्ति, प्रातः यत् उचितं भवति तत् करिष्यामः इति। तदानीं कच्छपः न अङ्गीकरोति। सः वदति, अहम् अन्यं सरोवरं यथा गच्छामि तथा भवन्तौ कुरुतः इति। हंसौ वदतः, अत्र वयं कथं कुर्वः? अवाभ्यां किं कर्तुं शक्यते? तदानीं कच्छपः, अहम् आकाशमार्गेण भवद्भ्यां सह अन्यं ह्रदं गन्तुम् इच्छामि इति। कथम् आकाशमार्गेण गच्छति इति पृष्टे तदानीं पुनः कच्छपः वदति, भवन्तौ एकं काष्ठं स्वीकृत्य भवन्तौ चञ्च्वा धारयताम्। तस्य मध्ये अहम् अवलम्ब्य भवद्भ्यां पक्षबलेन सुखेन गमिष्यामि इति वदति। तदानीं हंसौ वदतः, एषः उपायः सम्भवति, परन्तु अत्र एकः अपायः अपि अस्ति। कः अपायः नाम, यदा वयम् आवां भवन्तौ नयावः तदानीं कोऽपि भवन्तं पश्यति, किमपि वदति एव। यदि भवान् उत्तरं दास्यति तदानीं भवान् उपरिष्टात् पतिष्यति, भवतः मरणम् अवश्यमेव भविष्यति इति। तत् श्रुत्वा क्रुद्धः जातः। कच्छपः तत् श्रुत्वा अतीव क्रुद्धः जातः। My dear students, in the previous class we have learned that this is the second lesson. In this story is taken from Panchatantra. There was a Magadha Desha. There was a city, kingdom called Magadha Desha. There was a lake. Its name is Pullotpala. In that lake, one Sankata and one Vikata, two swans were living. The name of the swans were Sankata and Vikata. In the same pond, there lived a tortoise. Its name is Kambugriva. One day, fishermen came to that lake and they started talking that in this lake there are plenty of fish and tortoises. Tomorrow we will come and catch all of them and kill them. Listening to these fishermen, this tortoise got scared and told these two swans, have you heard what the fishermen spoke? Then what can I do now? Then swans tells, it is tomorrow they are coming. Whatever is good in the morning we can do it in the morning. But tortoise told, no. Immediately I want to go to the another lake. Please help me. Then swans tells, how can we help you? Then tortoise gives an idea. Both of you catch a stick and in both the ends, in the center, I will bite the stick. So when you fly, I can easily go in the aerial route to the another pond. Then swans thinks that yes, this plan may work out easily, but there is a danger in this too. What is the danger? When we are flying, people know that we fly often. We fly generally. But they will see you flying. But looking at you, they will start commenting at you. If you answer them, definitely you are going to fall and you are going to die. Then the tortoise got very angry. What it tells, we will see in today's lesson. Kurmaha avadat किमहं मूर्खः उत्तरं न दास्यामि किंचिदपि न वदिष्यामि अतः अहं यथा उक्तवान् तथा युवां कुरुतम्. Am I fool? I will not answer them. I will not speak a single word. So, my dear friends, aham yatha uktavan tata kurutam. So, as I told you, please do it. एवं कृते काष्ठदण्डे लम्बमानं कूर्मं दृष्ट्वा गोपालकाः पौराः पश्चात् अधावन् अवदञ्च. In some books it is there pauraha here, and it is the old book, it is the, even though it is downloaded is 20 for the academic year 2021 you can see, but still here it is given Gopalakaha, but don't worry, Gopalakaha or Pauraha, same is there. So when it is done as it is told, Kashtadande Lambamanam Kurmam Drishtva Pauraha Paschat Adhavan Avadancha. So the people, you can see the people here in the picture. In the picture you can see, it is flying here. The people are following them. Lambamanam Kurmam Drishtva Paschat Adhavan Avadancha. So they were running behind and they spoke. Ham ho mahadascharya. What a surprise! Hamsabhyam saha kurmopi uddhiyate. Along with the swans, tortoise is also flying. What a surprise! Kaschid vadati. Kaschid vadati. Somebody is telling. Yadyayam kurmaha kathamapi nipatati tada atraiva paktva khadishyami. If this tortoise which is flying, if it falls here, I will cook it here. Atraiva paktva. Here only I will cook and I will eat. Aparaha avadat. Second fellow is telling. Sarastire dagdva kadishyami. So I like the fry. So I will take on the bank of the pond and I will burn it and eat it. Then Anyaha katayat. Third fellow tells, Gruham nitva bhakshayishyami. I will take it to the home and enjoy, cook it in the home and enjoy with the family. Tesham tadvachanam shrutva. So all are commenting differently. One is telling that I will eat here only. One fellow is telling I will fry it and eat. And third fellow is telling I will take it to the home and eat. Tesham tadvachanam shrutva. Listening to the comments of them. Mitrayoho dattam vachanam vismrutya. So when you are angry, what will happen? You will forget whatever has happened. So mitrayoho dattam vachanam vismrutya. Tortoise forgot the promise which it has made to its friends. Kopena vadat, with angry. So it told, Yuyam bhasma khadata. My dear idiots, you eat the ashes. That means you eat ash means you will not get anything. Yuyam bhasma khadata. Can we eat the ash? So getting the ash means you are getting nothing. That means you are praying for many things, but you are not going to get me because I am holding it very tight. You all will get only ash. Iti vadanneva kurmaha akashat patitaha. While it is cursing the people, iti vadan, when it was telling that people, you will get only ash. Kurmaha akashat patitaha. From the sky it has fallen. Gopalakaihi pauraihi maritascha. The people has killed it. Ataha eva uktam. That's why we should study the Subhashitas and the morals we should keep always in the mind. What is the moral? Suhrudam. The people who has got good heart, that is Suhrut. Suhrut is very important. Suhrut means mitram, friend. Friend and hitakamanam. Hitakamanam. Hitam kamayanti iti hitakama. Well-wishers. Friends and well-wishers. Vakyam yo nabhinandati. One who doesn't listen to the advices of friends and the well-wishers. They are sakurma iva durbuddhihi. Those people are like tortoise whose mind is spoiled. Kashtat brashto vinashyati. As the tortoise has fallen from the stick and it has got spoiled. Like this, we always in the life should listen to our true friends. Suhrudam, two friends, and hitakamanam, well wishers. That's why they are called friends. Suhrutam. Suhrut means what? Su means good. Hrut means heart. One who has got a good heart for you. He is the great friend. Hitakamanam, well wishers. Always they think well of us. That's why they give the good advices. Vakyam yo nabhinandati. Na abhinandati. Nabhinandati. We should always respect abhinandati. We should always respect their words. So we should follow. That is because of our welfare. They are telling for our wellness. That's why if you don't listen to the friends and well-wishers, you are like a tortoise. So you will fall and get spoiled. Is it clear? Like this. So this is the moral we get. So first I pray all of you to get good friends as well as very good well-wishers. That's why never do anything in a hurry. Never do anything in a hurry. It's what that is like that. What we don't have dreaming of that is very wrong. So that's why always our mind should be in our control. Then only the work we do will be in our control. If the mind is not in our control, the work which we do will not be in our control. To do the work better, always concentrate on your strength. Understood? You should always work on your strength. This is what we will learn from this lesson. Durbuddhihi vinashyati. Is it clear? Note down properly, and any words which are very difficult you can. So I will scroll down for the meanings now. Saraha, you can find out. Saraha means lake. Saraha means lake. Kurmaha, kachapaha, kachua, tortoise. Prativasati, living. Dhivaraha, machuare, that means fisherman. Matsya kurmadin, machli, kachua, adiko, fish and the tortoise. Maraishyamaha, marenge, kill. Maivam, don't do like this. Hradam, very important. Hradam means talab, lake. Pakshabalena, with the strength of the wings. Apayaha, hani, danger. Niyamanam, taking. Niyamanam means taking. Avalokya, avalokya means društva. एवं एतानि पदानि लंबमानम, लटकते हुए, उड्डीयते, उड़ रहा है, विस्मृत्या, भूलकर, फॉरगेटिंग, भस्मा, राक, ऐश, सुहृदाम, मित्रों का, फ्रेंड्स, हितकामानाम, कल्याण की इच्छा रखने वाले, दैट मीन्स आवर वेल विशर्स, अभिनंदति, प्रसन्न पूर्वक स्वीकार करना, एक्सेप्टिंग, दुर्बुद्धि, दुष्ट बुद्धि, यस्य सः दुर्बुद्धि. So find out these words and you can practice it at home. Wishing you happy stay. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.